Hello everyone, my name is Greg and I dev stuff. Welcome everyone to episode 44 of Stardew Valley like game in Unity. Combat have to be defeated by enemies. This episode is brought to you by generous support of people on Patreon and members on YouTube. If you want to join them, link to my Patreon in the description and join button available right now on YouTube. So today we want your character to actually die. Right now, if I take enough damage, only one boolean will change its state and nothing will change in actual gameplay. Let's extract the dead state into the separate method. Inside this method we want to process the death, and we want to make sure that player, after losing all his health, can't move around anymore, can't open inventory, etc, etc. So let's disable character controller 2D. Tools character controller, inventory controller, toolbar controller, and item container interact controller. Let's place all those components into one place, one separate component. So later on, when we want to disable our controls, not only for player death, but for, let's say, cinematics or dialogues, it will be easily accessible in this one specific component, which will be only responsible for disabling and enabling controllers for the player. Inside on awake, cache the aforementioned components into variables. Then create disable control and enable control method, and set the enable of those components to false inside disable control, and to true inside enable control. We will not need enable control for the moment, but we will need it in the future. When our health run out, call the disable control and, well, disable the control. So if I launch the game now, if I die, I can't control my character anymore. If I die while moving, my character will keep moving. What we need to do is to stop the character in the character controller when the character controller component is disabled. This is happening because we update the velocity of the character in the character controller 2D, so we need to stop the rigid body if this component is disabled. Good. Now when you are out of health, you can't move, you can't open inventory, you can't do anything until you will be revived by the game or in any other way. Good, this is it for this episode. If you have any questions or any ideas about code, please leave your comment below. If you are interested in seeing what will come out of this, please subscribe. If you want to support further, you can find my Patreon in the description. Special thank you to Andrew Long for his generous support. With best regards, see you in the next episode.